Now that I've given a brief overview of the different strategies listed by Ellis, I did want to go in depth with a couple of those strategies. So the first one I wanted to discuss was direct corrective feedback. Basically for this, a teacher can cross out errors, they can insert missing phrases or words, or they can actually completely rewrite what it is that needs to be corrected. Since the student isn't coming up with the answer themselves and is just simply given the answer, this is definitely not cognitively challenging. Due to this, typically the retention of the skill that they're fixing or being shown what to fix is short term. However, that doesn't mean that you can't use this. This type of guidance, because it is explicit and because it is not cognitively challenging, is really reserved for students who cannot self-correct an error. Typically, students who are at a low level proficiency are the ones who are going to need this type of feedback.